This is Bryan with Casualty Powersports. We just installed the WolfSnout kit to eliminate heat in the Pro R. We had to pull all the plastics off down the center console. We wrapped it with WolfSnout and we put it all back. So the common problem we have here with the Polarises and the Can-Ams and all the different models is that the center console has excessive heat. That's because the radiator lines are coming from the front of the motor to the back of the motor, and to eliminate in-cab heat without removing your windshield, of course, WolfSnout is an option. I believe they make it for Kawasaki, Polaris, Can-Am. They make it for all vehicles. All vehicles have the inherent problem, especially when you put a windshield, which eliminates the flow through the cab, and it causes a negative pressure. We're gonna line up. You can call Casualty Powersports to get WolfSnout installed or purchased at 505-716-3681.